Hello everyone, welcome to the another video. In this video we are going to see how can we generate the QR code and barcode in the Excel using the available Excel data. So here I am using the Google spreadsheet. You can use this in Microsoft Office, LibreOffice or any other available spreadsheet tools. Here I am using the Google online spreadsheet. So I will open the browser and visit to the spreadsheet of the Google. Here let me create one new spreadsheet and let me enter some of the data. So here I have created the name is phone number and QR code and barcode. So to generate the QR code, first we will type equal to image and then paste the URL and then close it. So these are the data. And let's close the bracket and hit the enter. Here you see that the QR code has been generated. Let me zoom a little bit. Let's understand what we have done here. Here we will use the image to render the image that will send from this API. And in the API, here is the API and in the data we are sending all the data, and AND is used to concatenate the string. And while hitting the enter, it will generate the QR. So we can drag it and it will work for all the field. So for generating the barcode also we are following the same QR code method where we are going to paste the API. So for that let me copy and paste this one. Instead of using this API endpoint, we are using another one. Paste it here and let me delete this one and hit the enter. As you see that it will work. This is the way of generating the QR code and barcode in the Excel. I will give the resource link and the command into the description. From there also you can check it out. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching it.